The major items. Governments urged to prioritize welfare of medical professionals to reduce brain drain. Governors media information and public relations on professional conduct, just as media experts advocate measures to check the spread of fake news. A call has gone to government at various levels to prioritize the welfare of doctors in the country, reduce the rate at which they seek greener pasture abroad. Medical expert Dr. Femi Ayomide made the call in a chat with OGBC in Abeokuta. According to him, to reduce migration of well-trained Nigerian doctors, there is the need for urgent increased investment in critical training and retraining of medical doctors to keep them abreast with global best practices. Dr. Ayomide harped on the need to convene a healthcare summit to enable government partners and other stakeholders to discuss critically government policies to increase the enrollment of students in order to ensure effectiveness and maximize benefits. He pointed out that all these initiatives will help to reduce migration of medical doctors to the barest minimum of their conduct, especially on what they post on the social media space. A special advisor to the governor on media and strategy, Honorable Kaudi Akimade, gave the advice in Abeokuta. According to him, the social media always have a way of reminding individuals of their dark past, adding that ethics were moral principles that control personal behavior, which could eventually become a parameter that defines the future of the public service. He explained that professional ethics is a system that guides the conduct of every known profession. The media expert said people with strong ethics are self-motivated, as go extra mile to accomplish their tasks, stressing that personal effectiveness would be futile when personal ethics break down. In the meantime, the State Broadcasting Corporation (OGBC) will continue to serve as a channel of communication between the government and the governed. The general manager of OGBC, Mrs. Toyin Shupeson, stated this when members of the Tuesday the state would continue to maintain the lead as the nation's model station despite the challenges of the modern day broadcasting. She explained that OGBC has brought a total change to radio programming with the introduction of highly informative, educative, and entertaining programs. Mrs. Shuberson assured the organization of the station's support for its programs. In his remark, the national coordinator of the Islamic Humanitarian Society of Nigeria, Humanitarian Abdurrashid Ukinla, said the visit was to familiarize with OGBC and seek more collaboration in projecting the organization's mission, vision, and achievements in the last 25 years. The third delegates election of the Senior Staff Association of Statutory Corporations and Government-Owned Companies comes up on Thursday at 10 a.m. According to a statement by the Secretary, OPIC Branch, Comrade Muyiwa Baker, the event, which has as venue the OPIC headquarters Okelewa Abeokuta, with delegates from various statutory corporations and government-owned companies converging to elect their representatives. The statement adds that the event will witness the presentation of an award of special recognition to architect Abiodun Fari Aruli for his dedication, steadfastness, and sacrifice to the OPIC workforce. The outgoing president, Comrade Babatunde Fodu, has emphasized the importance of the conference for the continued growth of the association, saying all is set for a smooth delegates election. You're listening to the state news on OGBC 90.5 FM. There is the need for mainstream media to have fact-checking desks, hold editorial meetings regularly, conduct surveys, and engage in regular content analysis to continue to have people's trust in them. A veteran journalist, Mr. Eddie Aino, posited this as one of the panelists at a media party with the theme The Future of Journalism and Public Relations Profession after Oba Ogunleye in honor of the late monarch. According to him, the deregulation of the broadcast industry and the advent of the social media has given birth to all sorts of characters in the name of bloggers and citizen journalists, eliminating the duty of sub editors and fact checkers, leading to the spread of fake news. Also speaking, another panelist, Chief Fasi Yusuf, represented by a veteran broadcaster, Princess Keaton Oyeshiku, noted that the future of journalism and public relations profession is in data analysis, artificial intelligence (AI), and rapid response advocacy to get people involved. On his part, an advertising lecturer, Dr. Wasil Tejo, urged journalists and PR practitioners to allow what they profess to show in their character, adding that the late Towolade of Akiale stood for integrity and truthfulness. Also contributing, former member of the State House of Assembly, Chief Johnson Fatoke, posited that the proliferation of media stations is a minus to the practice of journalism, urging the government to regulate issuance of licenses. A side attraction of the media party is a medical outreach facilitated by Dr. Jalaoluwa Opaleye, where free health check, medication, and eyeglasses tagged Jide Oba Ogunleye were given to people. In the meantime, viral activities for the Towulade of Akiale Oba Olufemi Ogunleye continue on Thursday with an Islamic prayer at 10 a.m. at Oba Ogunleye Close, Akiale Owu Kingdom, to be followed by service of songs from 4 p.m. at Akiale Baptist Primary School. The funeral will take place on Friday at Akiale Baptist Primary School, Akiale, at 10 in the morning, while a family Thanksgiving will be held on Sunday at Akiale Baptist Church at 10 a.m. Aged 80, Oba Olufemi Ogunleye is survived by wife, children, and grandchildren, among whom is Prince Dele Ogunleye of OGBC. Similarly, activities for the burial of Omoba Toyin Gbadebo will commence on Thursday with a Christian wake at the Cathedral of St. Peter, Akiabeokuta at 5 p.m. Funeral service holds on Friday at the same venue beginning from 11 a.m. According to the schedule of activities, reception will take place after the funeral at the Legacy Hall, Abeokuta Sports Club, Obademola Road, behind Sweet Sensation, Opic Roundabout, Ibara GRA, Abeokuta. Omoba Toyin Gbadebo retired as the Deputy General Manager of the State Broadcasting Corporation, OGBC. Cooperate with the government in the quest to transform the state. The effort is for the benefit of all. To end the state news, another look at the major items. Speaking with OGBC, a medical expert, Dr. Femi Ayomide, called on government at all levels to prioritize the welfare of medical professionals to reduce the rate at which they travel abroad for greener pasture. A special advisor to the governor on media and strategy, Honorable Kayode Akimade, has advised information and public relations officers to be guided by the ethics of their profession at all times. He also had the media experts, including Media MD Aino, Chief Fasi Yusuf, Dr. Wasil Tejo, among others, have charged mainstream media to have a check Chris Obu and broadcast from OGBC Abeokuta. For exclusive programs and the latest news updates, visit our website at okunradio.ng. Follow us on Facebook at Okun Radio Abeokuta and on X handle at OGBC 9.